这儿的。
咱们直播把后面的背景去掉了。
杨主播，可以帮已经开始了吗？
没有，
还没有。
没有，后面那个绿色的
已经开始收音了，已经开始了。
OK。那么接着我们开始了啊，接着。Okay, everybody. Hi there. Thanks for having me. My name is Andrei. I am Director Overseas Marketing Department, THINKCAR Tech. Today I am honored to introduce to you our company, our sales team, and our professional diagnostic equipment. So, thanks for your attention. Okay, our ThinkCAR Tech is incorporated in Los Angeles, US, 2018. 80% our team member have technical background and have worked in this field of car diagnostic for many years. We expect to combine cutting-edge mobile internet technology with traditional vehicle diagnosis and testing technology to solve problems with lower cost, higher efficiency, and more convenient ways. We sell our products through online channels. The online sales products are mainly diagnostic connectors and DIY equipment. Their main user are car owners, technicians, and small repair shops. Okay, and offline products, their mainly users are big, larger repair shops and professional technicians. Mainly professional diagnostic equipment and high-end equipment that requires much more technical support. Okay. As usual, these products will be sold and serviced by local distributors around the world. You can get their contact information from our website, www.thinkcar.com. Okay, for these reasons, we are not our distributors yet. You can direct contact us. Okay, our department includes sales team, technical support team, and logistic. So the sales team has 6 sales managers that works for market develop and maintenance in almost all countries and regions, except the North America and the Chinese mainland. Now, I introduce to you the team members one by one. First manager, Mrs. Sherry.
Hello.
She works for America and Chinese Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. I think this is not easy job for her. because Latin America is far away, so far away from us, and there are language barriers between us. But Sherry still has built stable cooperation with local distributors in Brazil, Chile, Peru, Costa Rica, Bolivia, and other countries. Thanks for your support. Sherry will show you our scanners, ThinkTool Lite and ThinkTool later. Okay, next manager, John. John, please come here. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. This is John. He is working for sales in Germany, Italy, and some countries in Central and Eastern Europe, and the Balkans. Okay. He is a person with strong practical skills. He with his parents, he with his partners have solved many technical problems. He organized our engineers to add a few new languages to our equipment, such as Slovak, Greek, and Hungarian. Yes? Okay. Which are convenient for users. Mr. John will show ThinkTool Master and the ThinkTool Master X to you later. Okay. Next manager, Mr. Wilson. Wilson, please.
Yeah. Hello, everybody.
Okay, please. Wilson. This is Wilson. He is working for sales in Japan, South Korea, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. He is an energetic young man, full of positive attitude. He has built a good person relationship and a smooth communication with those. Later, he will show ThinkTool Max. Okay. In addition, we have two another sales managers, Ken and Kimi. They work for sales in the UK, France, and other European countries, and Australia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. We will introduce them to you in future. Now, get started. Sherry, please. John will work as her assistant. Please.
And I will introduce two products for you. This one, ThinkTool and ThinkTool Lite. First, I will introduce the ThinkTool Lite. This screen is 6 HD touch screen with Android 10 technology with 2 years software update for free. The full system diagnosis tool is offer OE level diagnostic such as full vehicle scan, rate, clear fault codes, live data system, accuracy test, bidirectional function, spectral function, and also support 50 resets. It also has a special storage for the VCI. You need put inside and push so can get the. Can you help me? So you can put the VCI out. It's very convenient. You don't worry to lose the VCI anymore. And also, so it will not fall down and storage in here. It's a very special design. No other computer have this design. Also, you can check the UI design. This one is ThinkTool Max with very simple design. You can diagnose the car in here. There are many brands we can support. It have can coverage 110 vehicle brands. BMS, brake, DPF, EGR, ETS, box, EMO, injecting, OL, SAS, SUN, TPMS, and so on. Resets. This one is a ThinkCar store. Also, our special function is it's a module design. You can like this printer. You don't need anywhere. You just press here and attach in the back side of it. So it will be attached in the back side. So you can print the diagnostic report. For example, here is a module printer. Scan. So it can print the diagnostic report. And this one is our video scope. This is a package, very good box. And for the video scope, you need connect with a USB port. The USB port here also go to a module. This is a video scope. This one a cover for video scope, so you need to apply it. So you can check. You can check the dust in the car. Any place you can't very easy to see it by eye. This is our another module. And also it's a work light. If you work in the dark, you also say to just clip it. So press here. It has a 3-level LED light, so you can watch the cars. Very convenient. And
Summary measure.
Here. Measure. So attach in the back side. So you can check the temperature. You can check temperature of the this one is is different with the product you see online, like ThinkTool Mini. ThinkTool Mini is for basic function. If you need the ACO calling, you need pay extra charge. But this one is full system for diagnose, and so you support ACO calling, accuracy test, bi-direction function. It's all for free, and the software is 2 years for free. Upgrade. I will introduce another product. This one is ThinkTool. It's more powerful than ThinkTool Max. Firstly, the screen is also 6 screen, but this one can support 28 resets. They also have the very special design to hold the ThinkTool. This one is also full system for diagnose. 28 resets. This one is a little larger than this one. You can check. You can compare. We also want the Red Dot certificate of this product. So you can check this diagnose, this reset function, and the THINKCAR file. You can check your diagnose report and so on. Here, I can choose the diagnose. It will to auto detect the VCI and begin to diagnose. Also have the 28 resets. Meanwhile, it also have the backside have the camera here. They also have the can support the modules by it. With every our product have the this design. It's no need to wear, just attaching the backside of it. Okay, so you can attach. We also have the 8 modules. This one is a battery tester, so you can test the battery of the car. And this one is the video scope. You can check the small place by this is a camera. They also have the cover for it if you purchase. And the package is like this. And this one is our printer. Mostly you see the printer on the market is must connect with the power. This one no need power attached in the backside, and it will connect with directly and print your diagnosis report. And this one's the work light. So if you attach in the backside, this one will have the power and have the light. And this one is the battery clip. It is plugged in the battery and can check the battery voltage and condition. This one is our TPMS. This one can detect the tire pressure, rate, clear, and active, relearn, and program the sensor in the tire. This is our largest module. This is the scope box. It's very large one. And can support 4 chain. This one. So if you this one is full system for diagnose, and also you can, if you need bidirectional control, action task, you can all this one can support you to help you to diagnose your car. The screen is 7-inch HD. And the battery is 4850 mAh battery. Okay, I think next my colleague John will introduce the ThinkTool Master and ThinkTool Master X for you.
Thanks, Judy. Hello, friends. Good morning.
So my name is John. I am in charge of the business development in European region, partially, not the whole Europe. One of my colleagues, Ken, he also takes part of the region. Today I am going to introduce two models to you, ThinkTool Master and ThinkTool Master X. So this is ThinkTool Master. ThinkTool Master is the new generation advanced OE level intelligent diagnostic tool. It is equipped with very high hardware configuration. It has 2 GHz quad-core processor and 4 GB memory and 64 GB storage. It has a 10.1-inch IPS screen with broad viewing angle, fast response, and accurate color reproduction. This model is made with professional industrial design. You saw it has a very big aluminum alloy bracket. Also, the robust rubber around the 4 corners provides solid protection for the tool from shock and drop. So, same as our ThinkTool series models, ThinkTool Master also adopt the unique model design to incorporate all those optional models which Shirley already introduced to you, like printer, work light, video scope, thermal imager, scope box, battery tester, and TVMS, etc. So ThinkTool Master provides the most complete diagnostic functions to users, such as full vehicle scan, read and clear fault codes, live data stream, actuation tests, and ECU coding. It offers up to 28 maintenance and reset functions. Here you can see so this screen showed all the 28 maintenance reset functions to you. So I'm not going over each one by one. In particular, this model supports online programming for many vehicle brands, including Audi, BMW, Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Porsche, Seat, Skoda, Subaru, VW, and more. But online programming is a key feature that determines the service level of a diagnostic tool. We put the online programming under the settings menu, not on the main screen. We put the programming under here. You saw all these vehicle brands that it's available for online programming. We're doing this is to avoid some legal matters. Basically, many OEM manufacturers they don't like we provide these functions to users. Here I want to show you one very interesting function. It's called topological graph. You see this screen? So ThinkTool Master can intelligently display all these vehicle system in topological graph. It shows the system status and mark all the system that with errors. This picture gives a very clear view into to users. It brings much more convenience. So now it is scanned the whole vehicle system, and it shows there are 3 errors with this ECM system. You can go inside and you saw how what are the 3 errors with the exact error code here. So this is a newly add function. Upgrade your tool to the new software, you will have this this feature. Okay, get back. Also, ThinkTool Master support the ADAS calibration. ADAS means Advanced Driving Assistance System. So of course you need to buy to have additional devices, those calibration boards to perform the ADAS function. And then working with ThinkCar wireless pressure diagnostic tool, the ThinkTool Master can perform the TPMS activation, programming, and learning functions. Besides this, adding heavy-duty package, ThinkTool Master can diagnose 24 watts heavy-duty vehicles, covering more than 80 heavy-duty vehicle brands. And of course, this model can do easy one-click online software and firmware upgrade. You go into this upgrade screen, you can see what the available updatable software and those software that were already upgraded. So just simple click here, you can do all the necessary upgrade. And this device has many, I think 15 languages. So this works with users from different regions. It has English, Italy, German, French, Spanish, Dutch, Portuguese, Russian, Hungarian, Romanian, Slovak, Turkish, Polish, Greek, Japanese, Korean, Arabian, and traditional Chinese. And more language will be added. We do this according to the market and customer demand. And besides all of this, we are keeping upgrading our software to add more and more features. For example, we recently add a new internet browser, and we also enabled Wi-Fi printing features on this device. So you can print your diagnostic report through a Wi-Fi printer. You don't have to always print with our printer, but you can do it on with Wi-Fi printer. And we keep to make our product better, and we will make this product more powerful. So, to tell you the truth, this model is the most popular one among all of our product models. Now, next, I present you the other model, Master X. Well, yes, they share, many similarities. They look almost same. Yes, exactly. The appearance are same, but actually there are still differences. Master X is the Master X is the updated version of Master with the higher hardware configuration. It has all the features that Master has and more that Master does not have. Compared to Master, Master X has bigger memory size. It is 128 gigabits, allowing more flexibility for software installation and data storage. In particular, Master X takes Smarting C as its VCI. You know, big difference. This is the VCI of Master. So this device, this Smarting C, supports more advanced vehicle communication protocols like J2534, DOIP, CAN, FD, and DPDU, etc. J2534 is a concept that enables fast programming on vehicle ECU, regardless of the communication protocol that it's used by the ECU. The purpose of that is that only one tool, often referred to as a pass-through device, should be needed for all kinds of ECUs. With J2534, independent repair shops can work on modern cars and have cost-effective access to information and OE programming downloads from vehicle manufacturers when required. DOIP stands for Diagnostics over Internet Protocol. It facilitates the use of automotive diagnostic service exposed through TCP/IP on an Ethernet network. Compared to conventional CAN-based diagnostics, DOIP allows for much faster data transfer rates at a low hardware cost. This makes DOIP interesting for today's car manufacturers. CAN-FD means CAN with flexible data rate. It's an expansion of the classical CAN bus and defined by the standard ISO. So CAN-FD facilitates not only sending of larger data volumes, also it provides the possibility of high bit rate within the data phase, even going beyond the previous limit of 1 megabits per second. So in general, working together with the Smarting C, the Master X covers more vehicles that use those advanced protocols and enables more features that normal VCI does not. For example, J2534, with this protocol, users can connect your computer to a vehicle through this device, this VCI, to perform diagnosis programming with OEM software. So, yeah, this is a very powerful device. In addition, this Smarting C can potentially work with a device called Smarting B to accept remote diagnosis service. Well, but this feature is it's still under developing. It's not fully ready yet, but it will be shortly. I think after 2 to 3 months, the remote diagnosis feature will be ready. Besides all of this, the Smart C is compatible with both 12 watts passenger vehicles and 24 watts heavy duty vehicles. So you don't need an additional VCI. Just add in a few adapters. You can then diagnose heavy duty vehicles with this device. And also this printer, it's included at the standard package with the ThinkTool Master. So you buy this device, you get this printer together. Okay, I think those are all the message I would like to transfer to you guys. And anyway, I'd like to take in this chance to thank you, to say thank you to all my partners. I would like to thank Mr. Michael Brininger from Germany, Mr. Alexandro Esposito from Italy, Mr. Paul Bala from Hungary, Ms. David Van Grenken from Belgium, Mr. Joao Silva from Portugal, Mr. Ratulescu from Romania, and Mr. Gregory Stravagos from Greece, and Mr. Andrei Gentolak from Slovak, and many other friends. Thank you for your support to my work. Now I leave this table and I leave this table to my colleague Walson. He will introduce our most powerful tool, ThinkTool Max,
Thanks, Joe.
to you.
Thanks, Joe. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Joe's professional introduce of the Master and Master X. So finally, it's my turn. Yeah. I should make things very easy, and you listened, Master or Mac, Master X. Okay, so let me introduce myself. Hello, everybody. My name is Walson from ThinkCar, and I'm very happy to see you in the video. Finally, we face to face for meeting. Thanks for your support before. Without your support, I can't be here. So right now, I especially thank Mr. Jenny, Miss King in Korea. Say, 안녕하세요, 정말 감사합니다. And I want to thank the Indian friends, Mr. Ashraf, Mr. Joseph, Mr. Amanpreet, Mr. Amit, Mr. Sami. Yeah, I have to say namaste. And I also want to thank our Japan friend, Mr. Ding. I will say konnichiwa. Arigatou gozaimasu. And also, I will thank the Sri Lanka friends, Mr. Asena, Mr. Aravinda, Mr. Rishon, Mr. Kuruma. Thank you for your support. Also, Pakistan's friends, Mr. Mohammed, Mr. Kahan. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your all. Okay, so finally we get these big guys. Yeah, this is our largest product in our company right now. And this you can see this is a series ThinkTool from thanks for Sherry for ThinkTool Lite, ThinkTool, and thanks for John ThinkTool Max, ThinkTool Master, ThinkTool Master X. And finally we do this ThinkTool Max. ThinkTool Max is a large screen, advanced diagnostic functions, and smart link remote diagnosis. This is the ThinkTool Max. Intelligent diagnostic tools, one is enough. It makes your intelligent diagnosis faster than with the optimized chipset. upgrade the operating system and large memory, domestic HD cameras that allowed it for bird eyes view. And this kind of things is 8 GB and 256 GB. Is much bigger than the Master X. So, and improve the DAO Wi-Fi connection that allows the VCI to maintain faster and stable connection during diagnostics. The precision mentioned outer shell is designed to against the damager that avoid from the damager from the water and the dust, and in compliance with the IP65. The ThinkTool Max is more intelligent than ever with the powerful smart link. VCI, you are available to perform remote diagnosis without being on site, and the limited revision of diagnostic functions, tools, and the vehicle types. It is able to assist technician to define the OBD2 port pin automatically and display the real-time voltage condition monitoring during live diagnostics. And the new topo mapping gives the visual checking on full. Let me show you the topping. Oh, sorry. Maybe some stand stopped. Okay, so quick access ADAS calibration features through the ADAS module in conjunction with the ThinkTool ADAS calibration product. Expand and update your ThinkTool Max with more diagnosis software. It provides number of built-in repair gardens and the training video to assist technicians to track and fix the diagnostic faults efficiently. So, solve high-level faults with an advanced module such as video scope, oscilloscope, and the TPMS, and the key IMO and the sensor box by adding on the ThinkTool Max. So all these innovations and more make ThinkTool Max the most powerful ThinkTool ever. Yeah, so that's for ThinkTool Max.
Maybe you forget to charge it.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, that's okay, because just John is very professional to introduce this kind of this Smart Link C. So I want to tell you something else, because we have some we should make some interesting. I have to share with you some stories about the cars. Yeah, it's my own story, because I have got the car license for 18 years, and before we drive a lot of cars. The last car is the Audi A6L. That it is a little. It was very good car, and you know, L means a Chinese car. And the car was very good, but actually we have a weak point. That means the engine oil light lamp also will be light. If you know, the engine oil lamp light means the lack of the engine oil. So every time we confused about it, if engine oil is good or not, if lack engine oil is good or not. I have to say, if you're in some other cars, it is weakless, but in this Audi car, it is very good. Why? Because the German car cylinder processing technology is different from other brands. The engine cylinder wore under the microscope for the mesh shape. Each tiny mesh a small amount of oil. The piston in the cylinder up and down when running work. Then the flat cylinder wall. In lubrication performance is better, which will be piston ring and the cylinder wall between the abrasion to a minimum. Mass cylinder wall, then flat cylinder wall, oil storage. Oil consumption will be larger. And the German car piston rings toughness is very good. The degree of tension is weaker than Japanese car. This much naturally also reduced the piston ring up and down the cylinder wall caused by abrasion. So oil lamp light means your lack of the oil, but you need the diagnostic for it. And so the diagnostic of the car is most important things. Before we have nudge, right now, from now on, we have the ThinkCar. Also, this is the first story, and the second story is, you know this brand, Xiaomi. We should tell something about it. Okay. This brand, Xiaomi, yeah. Because why we talk about it? Because we are a little similar with this brand. Our ThinkCar build is very young, but we grow up very fast. Sometimes we studied from the Xiaomi the way, because we know right now Xiaomi grasp the market of Japan, India, and Korea, and we both of us, which have high quality and high level products, but we have very sharp price. So we call it cost efficient. Xiaomi is successful right now, and it is grasp many market. So we hope our ThinkCar can do the same thing with them, like them, and like our aim. We hope we can fight for it. Even Xiaomi is very successful. The owner of the Xiaomi, the president, Mr. Lei, said they will do the intelligent electrical car from this year. So they find the opportunity to get more business. So we will follow these ways. And the investment of the Xiaomi for the electrical car is $10 billion US. So that's a very big market. So right now we want to build a great brand as Xiaomi, that we build brand ThinkCar. You know that everyone in car per day is 3 or 5 hours. Maybe maybe in future we will more than that. So, and the next story I will show you this one. This one means this is a brand of mobile phone as well, but unfortunately, beaten by the Xiaomi brand. It broken down already. However, its owner, its creator, Mr. Luo, is a very interesting man. Before he was an English teacher, and then he become to do the business of a mobile phone. And right now, he is the top show player and broadcasting. Yeah. So we want to show this because we compare with them. After he broken, he gets the debt of 600 million RMB, but after 3 years, he already paid off of this. So we are very surprised about it. When we see this broadcasting is very good for them. So and he has oral words for make a friend. So we want to do the same way that we want to make friends with you. Okay. Yeah, make a friend, because we want to not only do the business, we also make friends with you in future. We can, if you can do the business, we are very happy. But if you can make friends with us, we're also very happy as well. So we hope we can be happy every day, and wish in near future we can meet each other face to face. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Sir Walson. Now it's my turn to reintroduce my own sales agent. This is Russian speaking and former Russian speaking reason. Sorry, microphone. And Mongolia, including Russia, Ukraine, Baltic, Central Asia, Caucasian. I hope my work can help you and help your business. Your every inquiry, your every product feedback, and every order is some best support and encouragement for me. Thank you. I will work hard with you to improve our products and provide the best experience to our customers. Yeah. We also hope more and more dealers can work with us and enter our big family ThinkCar Tech. Now I would like to say thanks to my partner by Russian. Moment. Дорогие друзья, мне очень рад, здесь как-то я первый раз делаю то есть это прямую трансляцию на YouTube. Мне очень приятно вместе с вами работать. Сколько лет, сколько зим. Уважаемые дорогие друзья, я прекрасно знаю, я не знаю, вы сейчас на другой стороне YouTube, на видеокамере или нет, но все-таки я хочу выражать мою истинную благодарность за все вы сделали для ThinkCar Tech. Уважаемый господин Гончаров Владимир, уважаемый господин Константин Нигай, уважаемый господин Алмаз, уважаемый господин Занузак, уважаемый господин Асель, госпожа Асель, да, вот это большое благодарность вам. И уважаемый господин Амар Мурахмедов, уважаемый господин Аман Нусубов, уважаемый господин Яков из Tris Auto in Moldavia, и уважаемый господин Роман из Латвии, уважаемый господин Ерчен из Баку, Азербайджан, уважаемый господин Саудис, мой хороший брат, молодой брат Саудис из Ереван, Армении. Да, и все остальные ребята, корейки, и Фархот Шарипов из Душанбе, Таджикистан. Мне очень приятно вместе с вами работать, вместе с вами разговаривать, вместе с вами вместе продвигать бренд THINKCAR Tech. Я думаю, что как-то это важно. Каждый запрос, каждый отзыв по нашим продуктам, каждый заказ для меня это самые хорошие, самые отличные награда для меня. Огромное спасибо. Будем хорошенько работать навечно. Спасибо вам. Окей. Давайте возвратимся к английскому языку. Okay, сейчас я хочу вам introduce our website, official website, 3wthinkcar.com. This for mobile phone and computer. Have been ready. No. Okay. Second moment. Okay. Please watch this website. From this, you can get rich information about our products, coverage list, vehicle coverage list, and many experience about the auto repair. Here, okay. Explorer, video, news, tutorial. Download this. You can download instruction and video. Okay. From this about, you can get contact information. Okay. You can get conductor information. Please have a look. This European region, Asia region, Latin America, Oceania, and other region. We have linked some dealers, some distributors' website to us. Please link us to your website too. Thanks. Okay. In our website, we also linked to our YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. In future, we will invite technicians around the world. Also will share their experience and examples here. Let's develop marketing brand ThinkCAR together. Let's more and the user know our products and brands. Let's every user believe that their truth is right. We are a very young company, but we have showed more than 360,000 united diagnostic equipment around the world in less than 2 years. We will continue to increase our equipment products to meet the different needs of users and improve products functions to give users the best experience. To achieve this goal, your support and joy are absolutely necessary. John, Wilson, come here. Okay? Please. Okay. Okay. Next time we will continue to introduce our other products and share some auto repair experience and skills.